everyone, welcome to Law Spirits. So today in this video, I gonna teach you October month current affairs in multiple choice questions form, and this is part 1. Part 2 will be released at the end of this month. So let's just start. Question number 1. Who is the head of expert group on determining minimum wages? Option 1 Rekha Sharma, second SP Mukherjee, third Bhupendra Yadav, fourth Rameshwar Tali. And the correct option is option number 2 SP Mukherjee, that is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. He is India's one of the most famous statistician. And if we come to the options, option number 1 Rekha Sharma, he is head of National Commissions on Women. Option number 3 Bhupendra Yadav, he is Cabinet Minister of Climate, Environment Change, Labour and Employment. Question number 2. What is India's rank in Digital Quality Life Index? Option 1 48, second 59, third 68, fourth 65. And the correct answer is option number 2 59th. This report is released by a cyber-based security organization which is known as Surfshark, 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 and the first rank in this report is obtained by Denmark. Question number 3. Which organization got Right Livelihood Award? Option 1 Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment, that is LIFE. Second Fridays for Future. Third Chintan. Fourth Navdanya. And the correct option is option number 1 Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment, and it is Delhi based environment organization. And if we see second option, it is Fridays for Future. It is managed by Disa Ravi, who has been accused of sedition case previous year. Question number 4. Who is Japan's 100th Prime Minister? Option 1 Shinzo Abe, option 2 Yoshida Suga, option 3 Yoshika Noda, option number 4 Fumio Kishida. And the correct option is option number 4 Fumio Kishida. He has succeeded Yoshida Suga. Question number 5. Digi Saksham is launched with which company's collaboration by Bhupendra Yadav, who is Minister of Labour, Employment and Environment? Option 1 Microsoft, 2nd Apple, 3rd Google, 4th Shag Bank. And the correct answer is option number 1 Microsoft. So this Digi Saksham mission is launched by Bhupendra Yadav, which focuses on skill of youth and youth employability. It provides free of cost skills, and that too digital skills. Question number 6. Who ranked first in IIFL Huron India's Rich List 2021? Option 1 Adani Group, 2nd Anil Ambani, 3rd Mukesh Ambani, 4th Gautam Adani. And the correct answer is option number 3rd Mukesh Ambani. And the unique thing about this report is that Mukesh Ambani acquired first rank since 10 consecutive years, and this was 10th year. Question number 7. Who is first woman Prime Minister of Tunisia? First Sheikh Hasina, second Najla Boudin Ramdane, third Margaret Thatcher, fourth Theresa May. And the correct answer is option number 2 Najla Boudin Ramdane. And now I am giving you homework. You have to give answers in comment box. Question number 1 is that you have to tell which country is having highest women prime ministers. And the second question is that tell me who was India's first woman prime minister. And comment down below in the comment box these all answers. Question number 8. Which phase of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Urban and Amrut has been launched? Option number first, second, third, fourth, second. And the correct option is option number 4, second phase. Okay. So second phase of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan urban form and Amrut has been launched. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan urban was launched first in year 2014 and Amrut was launched in year 2015. And Amrut stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Question number 9. Which actress named brand ambassador of One Nation one market scheme. Option number 1 Alia Bhatt, second Kiara Advani, third Kangana Ranaut, fourth Deepika Padukone. And as you can see in the picture also, so the correct answer is option number 3rd Kangana Ranaut. UP CM Yogi Adityanath made Kangana Ranaut brand ambassador of One Nation One Market scheme of UP. Question number 10th. Which edition of India Sri Lanka bilateral joint military exercise Mitra was conducted at Ampara, Sri Lanka? Option first 8th edition, second 9th edition, third 5th edition, fourth 6th edition. And the correct answer is option number first 8th edition. And 7th edition was conducted in 2019. Question number 11th. Who is first brand ambassador of Coin DCX? Option 1 Deepika Padukone, second Amitabh Bachchan, third Ayushmann Khurrana, fourth Taapsee Pannu. And the correct answer is option number 2 Amitabh Bachchan. Coin DCX is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform. Question number 12. Which country launched South Asia's first drone to deliver COVID-19 vaccines known as iDrone? Option 1 Maldives, second Sri Lanka, third Bhutan, fourth India. And the correct answer is question number 13. World's third and India's first ropeway service in public transportation is going to be constructed in which Indian city? Option number 1 Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, second Jaipur, Rajasthan, third Patna, Bihar, fourth Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is option number first Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And you have to tell me in the comment box that where is world's first ropeway service in transportation is located. Okay, and the theme of this expo is New Urban India. Question number 15. Which is in cleanest river of India? Option number first Ganga, second Krishna, third Godavari, option number fourth Umngot. And the correct answer is option number fourth Umngot. Umngot is located in Meghalaya. Question number 16th. The fifth edition of which navy exercise between India and Japan will be conducted in Arabian Sea? And the options are first Sembex, second Mitra Shakti, third Jimex, fourth Surya Kiran. And the correct answer is option number third Jimex. This exercise is conducted between India and Japan. Question number 17th. Where Vice President Venkaiah Naidu inaugurated Mahabahu River Heritage Center? And point to be noted that it is India's first river heritage center. Option number 1 Indore, MP, second Mumbai, Maharashtra, third Guwahati, Assam, fourth Lucknow, UP. And the correct answer is Guwahati, Assam. Question number 18th. Where is India's first smartphone based e-voting system was tested? Option 1 Maharashtra, second Madhya Pradesh, third Telangana, fourth Odisha. And the correct answer is option number 3rd Telangana. Question number 19th. Who won bid for Air Asia for 18,000 crores? Option 1 Reliance, second Tata Sons, third Adani Group, fourth Wipro. And the correct answer is option number 2nd Tata Sons. Question number 20. Which country recently allowed Indians who are Covishield vaccinated by 11th October? Option 1 USA, second UK, third Russia, fourth Japan. And the correct answer is second UK. Question number 21. RBI retained real GDP growth of what percentage in 2021 and 22? Option 1 10%, second 9%, third 8.5%, fourth 9.5%. And the correct answer is option number 4 9.5%. So Mission Kavach Kundal is launched in Maharashtra for vaccinating 15 lakh people in a day. It is the most important question of this year, I should say. Question number 25. Who won F1 Turkish Grand Prix 2021? Option first Max Verstappen, second Lewis Hamilton, third Michael Schumacher, fourth Valtteri Bottas. And the correct answer is Valtteri Bottas. 24th January. Question number 27. Who has been awarded Satyajit Ray Award? First B. Gopal Bejawada Gopal, second Sanjay Leela Bhansali, third Sujit Sarkar, fourth Nitesh Tiwari. And the correct answer is option number 1 B. Gopal. He is Telugu filmmaker. Question number 28. Who is the first chairman of newly formed ISPA, Indian Space Organization? Option 1 G. Satish Reddy, second Rajnath Singh, third K. Sivan, fourth Jayant Patil. And the correct answer is Jayant Patil. Until now, you must be amazed that I have not discussed October month most important topic, that is Nobel Prizes. And for your notice, I have discussed this topic in form of musical video in previous video. Okay, so just refer to all my previous video. They all are very helpful. And now it's quiz time. I have framed some of the questions which you have to comment down below into the comment box. Question number 1. Who won Mahatma Gandhi Award 2021? Second, Tamil Nadu got GI tags for which three products? Option number 3. Who won Meltwater Champions Chess Tournament? Fourth, who is recently appointed as MD of LIC? Fifth, which two organizations released Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021? Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.